Hey guys, I'm just going to make a short and sweet, simple tutorial video on how to add your own custom transitions. Um, so first things first, you have to have a transition, so make sure you have that before watching this video. Um, After you have that transition, then what you're going to do is you're going to look at all your scenes here. You're going to go to the cogwheel over here, and you're going to hit Edit Scene Transitions. All right, add transition. And the main thing is the type of transition that you're going to want. Um, it's called Stinger. So I've seen a lot of videos on version 0.9, and um, they don't really point out that you have to have Stinger. So click Stinger, and this is going to have video file. That's where you're going to browse, put whatever video file that you have as your transition, and then you're going to want auto monitoring. Um, on monitor and output. So that's about it. Literally that's it. It's that simple. I don't know what else to say. If you want a little you know, if you want like a little preview of what that looks like here, let me get rid of this. If it looks like, I'll go to my, be right back scene. And then it goes to whatever scene. So that's just a little preview. And you can make your own special connections and all that. But this is just a simple tutorial on how to do that. And that's it. So have a good one, guys.